Hello, what is up everyone, R here back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Volvo P1800 Gasser, number 1 out of 5 from Hotwheels Dream Garage, number 1 out of 250, and also from the Hot Wheels Legend Tour. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this is basically made out of the Hot Wheels Legends Tour car winner, or a contestant winner that basically got their car, whatever, Legend Tour car into a Hot Wheels, and here it is, the Volvo P160 Gasser, Is that a P160? No, P1800 Gasser. So, I don't know why this gasser kind of reminds me of the Corvette gasser that I've done a review of previously from the M case of 2022. Now, because this is a Volvo, we rarely see Volvo gassers, Volvo being named as gassers, but yeah, this is one of it, and at first glance, it kinda seems like an odd looking gasser, but the more you look at it, you can kinda understand its shape a bit. Let's take a look at the car here. So starting off from the side, as you can see, it says something over there. Hot Wheels on the door, just a small one. It should be bigger. Now, I would suggest them to write it bigger so that it's just at the bottom of that door, and maybe pull it down a bit and enlarge it or something. But it's quite small. Hot Wheels logo at the rear fender. Some extra details. Small window for some reason. And inside is basically chrome silver, similar to the engine, which is basically exposed, of course. It's a gasser, so you rarely see gassers without an engine coming out. Yeah, this is oh yeah, I forgot to say about the color. This color is more of like a greenwood, dark green. I wouldn't say it's a British racing green. I mean, like, this is a brighter shade of dark green, I'd say. Here's the engine. Basically, it's exposed, so you can probably see how it is. So here's the front. The headlights are basically circles, and then for the grille, basically Mattel made it chrome silver, so they don't have to do anything. Yeah, easy for them. But yeah, the windows are more of like bluish color, sort of. Okay. Moving on to the back, the rear is totally empty, no rear lights at all. So let's see here. Volvo P1800 Gasser, made in Malaysia, 2022 Mattel. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, they have the bicycle wheels, which well, it's a gasser, and nobody actually likes it that much, but still. Oh yeah, I just noticed something at the wheel. So I don't know why mine, it's like the black part of the wheel is starting to come off, so which means if the whole thing comes out, then it may stay chrome like forever. I'm not sure. But yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Corvette Gasser in dark green. Well, hopefully this casting won't be as crazily released as the 2Jet Z, or maybe that previous last year's Pontiac Firebird. which released a billion times in different colors. Like for example, the 2Jet Z, or maybe 2Jets, however you call it. That 2Jet Z had a blue, a gray, I think they had white. Well, not many people liked it. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye-bye.